Hey GETMADE Squad, welcome back to my channel. I hope that this video finds you in wonderful, great spirits. So today I'm going to start things off with asking, how are you doing? How's everything going? How are your goals going? Let me know down below. I know it's only the second month of the year, but are you on track? How's it going? Let me know. How are you feeling? Are you feeling good lately? Are you feeling down? Are you excited? Are you nervous? What's going on in your world? I already spoke about my world in the last few videos, so I want to know what's going on in your world because I do care about my subbies and anybody who might be new to my channel and just watching this. I do care about you. It may sound corny, but I'm being legit serious. That's what we're here for, to inspire, motivate, and create this community where we can, talk and share information with each other or share what's going on in our lives. You just never know what you can learn from somebody else. That is the positive, one of the positives to social media and the internet. It just exposes you to so many different people, and they all have different outlooks outlooks and perspective on life, so they can help you see things in a different light that you've never considered before. All right, so I don't know where I cut off on this, but anyway, this is It's A Wig Houston. And remember, I had to purchase her because, I'm from H-Town. So I had to see if she was going to represent us correctly. And that would be a negativo. Okay. I don't know what it is about her. Like, I don't know if it's the way they constructed her. I'm just not in love with her. Like, I'm just not in love with her. I do love the color. That is one of the great things about her. I do really, really love this color. I don't remember which color is she. She was P4/27/30. So she's a really beautiful, beautiful color. I just don't like her. Like, I don't like her at all. Like, I don't want her to sit with us. Like, who are you? Why I don't like her. One, yes, I know she's a synthetic unit. Okay, yes, she is long. Yes, she is curly. But I wore her for 3 days and she started doing the frizzy tangling thing. I just don't feel like units should do that after 3 days. I feel like the synthetics should last you a couple of weeks before it starts doing that. Especially if you're not doing anything. I'm just at work. I'm not running around, not running a marathon. I'm not, in the club, twerking. I'm not doing any of that. I'm just at work helping customers, okay? So I just don't feel like she should be doing that. So if you can see the frizzy ends, like, gross. I did my usual thing, I sprayed her down, try to do all the normal. It's just, ugh. Yes, you can get rid of this. Yes, there are methods to get rid of this. I just feel like it shouldn't be doing this, like I said, after a few days. What else about her? Oh, I think I already said that. So she tangles, so she has a lot of tangling going on. So, and then, like, it was hard to lay I don't know. And I forgot what his name is, but he's like a spokesperson for It's A Wig, and he has Houston and that pretty, beautiful, gorgeous rose gold, I believe it is, or a pink kind of color, and it looks great on him. And like, he makes you just want to purchase it, but I don't know if it's this color or if it's all. I don't know. Do I think you should buy her? No. I'm just gonna be honest. I don't feel like she's worth the purchase. I feel like there are so many other wavy units in this curl pattern that last better. Let me see. Is there anything? I'm just gonna go ahead and cut her instead of keeping her. Now I like Miss Houston. Okay. Like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. What you guys think? You let me know, squad. Y'all be letting me know. Y'all let me know. Hey, I love honesty. I love your opinions. So give me your opinion. You know, let's just keep it classy though. Keep it classy in the opinions. Everyone's entitled to have their own opinion. Let's just, like I said, keep it nice and classy. If you can't keep it nice and classy, you need to be nasty. How about you just hit the dislike button? Let's just hit dislike buttons in 2019 and on. We don't have to leave nasty comments to people. I mean, we're trying to empower people. Women, we already have things going against us. We don't need other women bashing us and bringing us down. Constructive criticism, I'm on board with that. But it needs to be constructive criticism, not being nasty. There's a difference. We need to learn how to communicate. We don't communicate. Communicate. There is a way to convey your opinion on something without being rude and nasty about it. Anyway, you're probably like, where did that come from? It came from somewhere. And I mentioned it in another video too. We're trying to be positive here. There's too much crap going into the world for us to come on here and just be crappy and rude and mean to each other. Like, that's... Bro, no, we're queens. We got things to do, things to achieve, all of us. Okay, anyway, guys, let me move on. Let me get off of here because, like I said, I don't have a lot of memory on here. But let me know what you think of Miss Houston revamped. Like, I like her now. So I gave her some layers. Sorry, guys. So I gave her some layers, a lot of layers. Of course, I cut her a bang, like, and even before I cut the bang and I shifted her over, I still didn't like her shifted over. I wore her to work and still was just like not feeling her. But now that I did this, I might actually like wearing her. And then of course I got rid of the frizziness. Again, there are other methods you can use besides chopping, but I kind of already had in my mind that I wanted to chop her up. And so yeah. Here it is, me chopping her up. All right, now I'm really getting off of here. Look how much hair I cut, guys. Like, look at that. Like, I cut a lot. So, I keep saying this. Let me stop saying it. If you're new to my channel, you know what to do. You know what I'm about to say. Hit the subscribe button. After you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to get notifications so you know when a new video is headed your way. Join the squad. I mean, like I've said before, it's free. You don't even need your tax refund. It's free. It's free. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm waiting for my Chinese food so I can get in bed. Chinese food's here? And y'all don't even tell me? No one came to get me?
It's because he was doing the video.
This is wrong with these little kids. They grown. They are too grown for their own good. You know what I mean? Okay. Well, thank you for letting me know. No, I was doing an interview.
That's fast though.
That was fast though. Okay. All right, guys. So let me get off of here because the Chinese food is here. And you like it better now? You don't even remember it. You just try to grab my hair when I picked you up from school. So we will see you guys. You like it? Like it? Okay. We will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.